Raj Babbar is a Bollywood and Punjabi actor well known for films like Varis, Kirayadar, Insaf Ka Tarazu etc. He is the president of Uttar Pradesh Congress Committee. He is a prominent politician of Indian National Congress, with 3 Lok Sabha wins and 2-time member of the upper house of Indian Parliament. Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian film actor well known for his role in films like Sholay, Diwar, Zanjeer etc. In 1984, Bachchan entered politics under the guidance of his friend Rajiv Gandhi, won the Lok Sabha election from Allahabad with a tremendous victory margin. But his political career lasted only 3 years. Nitish Bharadwaj is an Indian film and television actor who is well known for his role of Lord Krishna in the epic serial Mahabharat. He entered politics in 1996 as a Lok Sabha candidate for Bharatiya Janata Party and won from Jamshedpur constituency. Dara Singh was an Indian veteran film actor and wrestler who is well known for his role of Hanuman in the epic TV serial Ramayana. He joined the Bharatiya Janata Party in 1998 and was nominated for the upper house of Rajya Sabha from 2003 to 2009. Dharmendra is an Indian actor who is well known for his roles in films like Sholay, Dharmveer, Charas etc. Dharmendra contested and won Lok Sabha election of 2004 and elected as a member of Indian Parliament from Bikaner constituency of Rajasthan from Bharatiya Janata Party. Govinda is an Indian movie actor well known for his comedic lead role in films like Hero Number 1, Raja Babu, Dulhe Raja etc. Govinda joined Indian National Congress in 2004, contested for the Lok Sabha election 2004 and became a member of parliament. But he resigned from active politics in 2008. Javed Jafri is an Indian actor well known for his roles in films like Roadside Romeo, Fire, Loot etc. In 2014, he joined Aam Aadmi Party and contested Lok Sabha election from Lucknow against BJP leader Rajnath Singh, but he lost it. Kamal Haasan is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in Pushpak Viman, Appu Raja, Indian etc. He started a political party called Makkal Nidhi Manyam in 2018, from Tamil Nadu. Mahesh Manjrekar is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in films like Vastav, Wanted, Viruddha etc. He joined Maharashtra Nava Nirman Sena under the patronage of Raj Thackeray and contested the 2014 Lok Sabha from Mumbai Northwest constituency. But he lost the election. Mithun Chakraborty is an Indian actor well known for his roles in films like Disco Dancer, Dance Dance, Agnipath etc. Mithun entered politics in 2014 as a Rajya Sabha member of parliament, nominated by West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for All India Trinamool Congress. But Mithun resigned from his seat in 2016. Paresh Rawal is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in films like Hera Pheri, Sardar, Oh My God, etc. He is an active member of Bharatiya Janata Party, contested and won the Lok Sabha election of 2014 from Ahmedabad East constituency. Prakash Raj is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in films like Singham, Wanted, Bhag Milkha Bhag, etc. He entered active politics after the assassination of his friend Kavita Lankesh in 2017. He contested Lok Sabha election in 2019 as an independent candidate from North Bangalore, but lost it badly. Rajesh Khanna was an Indian movie superstar who is well known for his role in films like Aradhana, Roti, Anand, etc. He joined Indian National Congress on the insistence of Rajiv Gandhi, contested Lok Sabha election in 1992 and won against the film actor Shatrughan Sinha. Rajpal Yadav is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in films like Chuk Chuk Ke, Dhol, Hangama, etc. He entered into active politics by launching a new party called as Sarva Sambhav Party in 2016, but failed to popularize it. Ravi Kishan is an Indian actor who is well known for his role in films like Tere Naam, Ravan, Agent Vinod, etc. He joined Indian National Congress in 2014, but in 2017 he left Congress and joined BJP. He contested Lok Sabha election of 2019 as a BJP candidate from Gorakhpur constituency and won by a large vote percentage. Sanjay Dutt is an Indian actor well known for his roles in films like Naam, Vastav, Khalnayak, etc. Sanjay Dutt's father and sisters are seasoned politicians from Indian National Congress. So, Sanjay Dutt joined Samajwadi Party in 2009 and gave his nomination to contest in Lok Sabha election 2009, but withdrew the nomination shortly before the election for legal reasons. Shatrughan Sinha is an Indian film actor who is well known for his roles in films like Vishwanath, Kali Charan, Dostana, etc. Sinha contested and won the general elections of 2009 and 2014 from Bharatiya Janata Party, but joined Indian National Congress in 2019. He was a minister under Atal Bihari Vajpayee cabinet. Sheikh Harsuman is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in films like Anubhav, Utsav, Bhumi, etc. He contested the 2009 Lok Sabha election from Indian National Congress against Shatrughan Sinha and was defeated badly. Sunil Dutt was an Indian film actor who is well known for his roles in films like Mother India, Humraaz, Padosan, etc. He joined politics in 1984 under Indian National Congress and was elected as a Member of Parliament 5 times from Mumbai Northwest constituency. He was the Youth Affairs Minister under the Manmohan Singh government. Sunny Deol is an Indian actor well known for his role in films like Ghayal, Gadar, Ek Prem Katha, Betab, etc. Sunny Deol entered the politics by joining BJP in 2019. He contested and won the Lok Sabha election 2019 from Gurdaspur constituency. Vinod Khanna is an Indian film actor who is well known for his role in Qurbani, Dayawan, Mera Gaon Mera Desh etc. He joined the active politics in 1997 in Bharatiya Janata Party and became the Member of Parliament for 4 terms, 1998, 1999, 2004 and 2014. He was a Minister of State and External Affairs under the BJP rule.